All right, talking about Tata Motors, let's talk about another Tata Group company. Sonal is joining us to tell us about Tata Chemicals. There have been price cuts out there, and yesterday we won't get the intraday chart, but the stock in the last 30 minutes saw a sharp fall in trade. Sonal, tell us more.
Thank you for that. Well, yes, Tata Chemicals is in focus. They've taken a price hike to the tune of 3 to 4%. This is in their soda ash product. And this price cut has come in after 6 months. The last one that they had taken was in the month of November. Now, Kotak Institutional Equities says that this cut comes amid falling soda ash prices in China since mid-March. Market has reacted to the unexpected news of substantial capacity addition in one of the geographies and major market, that is Mongolia, from 2023 itself. They see this as an incremental negative for soda ash prices, so that means there could be further cuts that companies would take across the globe. There are uncertainties which are remaining around demand and supply, and this is something which will need monitoring as well, according to Kotak. Soda ash business contributes around 15 to 20% of the consolidated EBITDA, and price cuts should somewhat be mitigated by lower coal prices that the company is seeing. So lower raw material prices will mitigate the impact of cut in prices as well. While Kotak expects Q4 to be very strong for the company due to firm realizations on US exports, the outlook for second half of calendar year 2023 is very uncertain and less clear. Soda ash realizations are seeing cut after continuous increase in last 2 years. So this could be a spot of worry for Tata Chemicals.
Okay, got that. Thanks very much, Sonal. By the way, the pre-open Nifty is suggesting an uplift of around 70 odd points, and Infosys, after yesterday's huge slumber, complete slam dunk, is up about 1%. ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Reliance, these are some of the stocks that are bouncing on the upside in the pre-open. And the pre-open rates seem to suggest that the market really wants to go back to those levels of around 17,800. Let's see if this is how it indeed transpires once the actual opening hits us. Let's keep it to some interesting brokerage commentary that we're picking up from the street. Abhishek is joining in. There are some notes on affordable housing finance companies. What's the takeaway, Abhishek?
Well, Morgan Stanley has written a note. They have initiated coverage on housing finance companies. They say that, secular growth opportunity is there in a systematically important sector. So opportunity is significantly higher outside the top 4 cities and with disbursal ticket size of less than 25 lakhs. So space is niche, underpenetrated, has a secular growth outlook with pricing power and ESG positive as well. So thesis is that there is stronger growth outlook right now, and with asset quality which has been tested by COVID positive, valuations have derated and peak rates are inside. These rates are the interest rates. So valuations have significantly derated to reasonable or let's say attractive levels. They prefer Aptus and Home First Finance given the fact that it's smaller balance sheet in size and hence higher loan growth potential as well as better business run with risk profiles actually improving over there, and the current valuations also augur well for investors to invest in. So they have Aptus with an upside of 27% overweight rating over there. Home First Finance, the rating is overweight with a target price which is an upside of 25%. Aavas Fin, the target price is only 6% upside, but equal weight rating because the valuations are already on the stronger side or on the higher side. And Canfin Homes, they have an equal weight rating. Target prices around 3 to 4% below the CMP. A much larger balance sheet, bank competition and promoter stake sale is a huge overhang on the stock. Back to you.
All right, thanks a lot for that. So those are a couple of more stocks in focus, but just wanted to mention, some stocks in pre-opening. The pre-opening rates are settled higher, actually, up almost about 0.3%. Infosys is making a bit of a comeback, so that's interesting. Let's see, it's actually the biggest Nifty gainer right now, Infosys, up almost about 1%. So let's see if there's buying action after the disappointment yesterday. Angel One is the other stock. Very good numbers coming through. The margins are at a 2-year high. EBITDA is up 20%, and Angel One is up almost about 4%. And plenty of other stocks actually looking pretty good. Poonawalla FinCorp is also trending in the green. There's news flow there. Z Entertainment is up almost about 1%. Let's do